See, in Cocubes platform, they're asking logarithm related questions as well. Logarithms, progressions, we see it's there in Cocubes platform, so we can learn certain questions related to that logarithms as well. So here, okay, we know log A plus log B is nothing but equal to log of A into B. We do that in the left hand side, we'll get log of it is A plus B into A minus B format, which is nothing but A square minus B square. As both left hand right side both if we compare, we'll get 4x square equal to 64. X square is nothing but equal to 16. Mathematically, people can argue it's plus or minus 4. Okay, but as per logarithms concept, log is defined only for positive values. If it is log y must be greater than or equal to 0. Logarithm is not defined for negative values. If suppose x value is minus 4, here log of 2 into minus 4 plus 3 means negative. Log minus 5 will come. Logarithm is not defined for negative values. Kindly understand that. Logarithm defined only for positive. Some people may argue minus 4 is there. Why can't you go with minus 4? One thing, it's not given in the options. The other one, the basic stuff related to logarithms, logarithm defined for only positive values, greater than 0. Right. And as mentioned, permutation combinations related, they'll ask. See this question. Each question has 4 choices, out of which only one is correct. A candidate has to answer 4 questions. The number of ways he will fail to give all answers correctly is what? Number of ways he will fail to answer all these questions correctly. See, we have how many questions here? 4 questions. If all questions are wrong, still wrong. One question fail also fail. It may be first question or second question or third or fourth. 2 questions you attempted wrong also fail. Right. So as per this question, okay, he fails. Okay, to give all answers correctly. He fails means all may be he given wrong, 1 wrong or 2 wrong or 3 wrong. Whether all are wrong, we don't know. So what is the better way is always total minus all are correct. Total minus all are correct. All are correct is only one way. Giving first option correct, second option correct, third option correct, fourth option correct. All options are correct is only one way. So this is in fact okay. If you want to try, you can use okay 0 0 0 0 0. 0 means fail, 1 means true. If anywhere 0 is there, means fail. If all are 1, then only correct. All correctly. If any one value is 0, then it's fail. We can try in that way also. If people can try that way also 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. All these are failed cases. Except this, when all are correct, okay. What okay, remaining all cases, this will be 16 actually, totally 16. Total 16, all are correct is one way. How many ways he will fail to answer correctly is 15 ways. 16 minus 1, sir, how can you claim totally 16? I'm giving you one way is 0 0 like that, or I'll see. 4 questions, right? 4 questions. First question can be, what is the chance first question you attempted? It can be correct. It can be wrong. How many ways it is? 2 ways. Second question may be correct, may be wrong. 2 ways. 2 ways. Okay, one thing, wait. 4 choices they're given for each. Sorry. This question we cannot go this way. If it is 2 choices, fine. This is 4 choices. Wait. We cannot go with 0 0 approach as well. We cannot go. Answer is 255. Wait. Answer is 255 because they given each question has how many choices? 4 choices. Each question have 4 choices. Then 4 questions, 4 power 4, 256 minus 1, 255 is your answer. How 4 power 4, sir? See, first question, second question, third question, fourth question. First question is having four choices A, B, C, D. How many ways you can attempt first question? Four ways you can attempt. This is total. I'm asking one correct answer, okay. Correct answer is only one. Second one also correct answer only one. Number of ways attempting all questions correct is only one way. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. But I'm asking what is the total ways of attempting. First question, you have A, B, C, D option. I can select A, I can select B, I can select C, I can select D. How many choices? Four choices to attempt first question. Okay, first question completed. Now we come to second question. Second question also four options. How many ways you can attempt? Four ways, don't say three ways. Whether you take any exam, previous question you give an option A, next time you cannot use option A, there is no condition like that. First question is completed. Again, second question also have A, B, C, D options. You can select one among that. That is why 4, again 4, again 4, again 4. If this is 6 questions, what will be happen? What is the total ways? If it is 6 questions, 6 power 4. 6 power 4. 4 power 6, right? 4, 4, 4, 4. 6 times 4 power 6, not 6 power 4. That is why I'm asking for 6 questions. Here 4 questions, 4 options. You people will say 4 power 4. What is this for? What is above 4? You have to know. If it is 6 questions with 4 options, 4 power 6. First question 4 ways. Second question 4 ways. Third one 4. Fourth one 4. Fifth question 4 ways. Sixth question 4 ways. 4, 4, 4, 6 times 4 power 6. If it is true or false question, then what is the answer? 6 questions, true or false? 2 power 6. 6 questions, true or false. First question, true or false, only 2 ways. Second question, true or false, only 2 ways. Third question, true or false, only 2 ways. Like that, 2 power 6 will come. Initially, I'll explain zeros and ones because keeping them in true or false. You can use 0, 1 concept, it is true or false. But this is, we have how many options? 4 options or 4 choices for each question, so we have to be careful. If it is 3 choices here, they can change. There is no rule, it should be only 4 options. If it is 3 options, then what will do? 3 power 4. 3 power 4. 3 options, no? 3 power 4. Understand that, that's what we are worrying about. It's not about saying question, okay, you understand, you just change the things. Instead of 4 choices, every 6 choices. Instead of 4 questions, if it is 10 questions, then what is the answer? See, the same question I can make it in a different way. You have 4 letters in your hand. Guys, listen. We have 4 letters in your hand and 4 post boxes are available. How many ways you can post the letters? 4 letters in your hand and in front we have 4 post boxes. How many ways a student can post the letters? 4 power 4. 4 boxes, first letter, 4 choices, A, B, C, D. Fine, so 255 is your answer. So let's see about the next question regarding profit and loss. Rakesh buys a scooter worth rupees 10,000. He sells it to Mohan at a profit of 10%. If after some time Mohan sells it back to Rakesh at a loss of 10%, then totally Rakesh will lose something or gain something. Rakesh given to Mohan, Mohan again given to Rakesh. But good question actually. Okay, go through the question clearly. What is actual scenario? Rakesh buys it for 10,000 rupees first time and he sell it for 10% profit means. So Rakesh will get 11,000 rupees amount. He purchased for 10,000 and he sell it to Mohan for 11,000, 10% profit rate. For 10,000, 10% means 1,000. Okay. Now, what Mohan did, Mohan purchased for 11,000. Now he is selling it to Rakesh with 10% loss, means 9,900. 9,900. So you just see, okay, he purchased it for 10,000. He sell it for 1100. Rakesh. There, how much profit is there? Here in this transaction, two transactions we can observe. In this transaction, he got 1,000 rupees profit. Okay, and we know that scooter worth is 10,000. Now he is getting it for. This is given to Rakesh. Rakesh got it for 9,000, and here also he'll get profit or loss. Profit of 100 overall. 1100 profit. 1100 profit. You just observe it carefully. Okay, he initially, that's a lot of people are in a confusion, sir. 1000 minus 100 or 1000 plus 100 or what? First one, clearly we know he is having a gain. 10,000 he given for 10% profit. 1,000 rupees gain is there. So you at least see the options. Already you have a 1,000 rupees gain, right? And second thing, again he'll get gain only because Mohan is selling it for less price. Mohan is selling to Rakesh for less price. Mohan selling it for loss. Mohan is selling for 9,900. The worth of 10,000 is getting for 9,900. He is again getting a 100 rupees profit there. 10,000 worth one is getting for 9,900, 100 rupees profit here. Initially already 1,000, totally 1,100 gain. This is a bit typical question, so just try to understand profit and loss later stuff. 1,100 is the answer. Now related to divisibility, divisible by 8. How can you decide a number is divisible by 8? Divisible by 8, how to decide? Last 3 digits. What is last 3 digits here? 6 star into, this should be divided by 8. It should be divided by 8. 672 is not there in the option, so then it is 632. Okay. You can do just trial and error also. You put 1, 2, 3 there and you can check it out. Okay. Or else let us say 602. Worst case, first start with 0. 0 not there in the options, let it be. But what you can do, sir, doing all this trial and error time waste, sir, 4 options, checking time waste. Then start with 0. Star can start with 0, 1, 2, 3, all. You start with 0. What is the remainder? Depends on that you can understand. If it is 602, if 602 is divided by 8, we know 8, 7 times 56. What is there? 42, 5 times 40. Then you have 2 remainder, right? Okay, for 2, if 30 is added, 32 it will become 32, right? Is 32 divided by 8? Remainder is how much now? Remainder now is 2. Okay, divisible means remainder should be 0. For the 2, if I add 30, what it will become? 32. Is it divided by 8? So it should be 632. Sir, why you are adding? Some people will argue, sir, why you are adding 30? Can't you add 6, sir? 2 plus 6 also 8. But star is in tens place or units place? Star is in tens place or units place? Tens place means you should add 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. Star is in tens place. 2 plus 10, 12 not divided by 8. 2 plus 20, 22 not divided by 8. 2 plus 30, 32 divided by 8. In fact, 7 also okay. But 7 is not there in the options. 72 is divided by 8 or not? But not there in the options. That's what the problem, right? Okay, now you can check it out here also. 8, 8, 7 times 56. What is the remainder? 7. 72 is nothing but 9 times. So you just see how we are approaching. Okay, initially I said do trial and error with all options, but time waste. Time waste. You can act smartly. You take one digit, then how much to be added to make it, sir? Why only tens, 20s, 30s, 40s means star is in tens place. If something is in hundreds place, then I'll try 100, 200, 300 adding to that. Is it divided by or not? Suppose same question if they given star 62, star 62, then I'll put first 062. I'll try what is the remainder, then adding 100, is it divisible or not? Adding 200, adding 300, if star is in hundreds place. That's but easy to save the time. Problem here all about, I am not saying trial and error with all 1, 2, 3, 4 is not wrong method, which is less time that you need to decide and go ahead. Again, logarithms. Yeah, logarithms not only in Cocubes, AMCAT platform also logarithms is there. That is AMCAT or Cocubes, logarithms they are asking. Right hand side 1 by 3, it's not log of something, directly 1 by 3 is available. So the question is log x base 8 plus log 1 by 6 base 8 is equal to 1 by 3 means I can write it like, listen, log 8 power 1 by 3 base 8. It's nothing but equal to 1 by 3 only. 1 by 3 can be changed like this. So why you take log base 8? Left hand side all are log with base 8. So I created in that fashion. If you know, okay, log a power m base a is nothing but equal to m. Log a power m base a is nothing but equal to m. So that is why I'm writing reverse. Now log a plus log b means multiplication. X into 1 by 6 should be equal to 8 power 1 by 3. 8 power 1 by 3 means 2. X is nothing but equal to 12. 8 power 1 by 3 which is 2 cube whole power 1 by 3 which is nothing but equal to 2. Answer is 12. Logarithms they are asking in AMCAT platform or Cocubes platform anywhere. Now see the sixth question. Log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y. Then x and y both are equal, or x into y equal to 1, or the relation between x and y is this true? What is relation between x and y? See, left there is, they don't say the formula is log of a plus b is log a plus log b. No, there is no such formula. What you can do, this entire can be written as log of x into y. Logarithms, both sides log is there. You can compare. We can say x into y or xy equal to x plus y. Now they are giving in terms of y, right? X equal to y wrong. Xy equal to 1 wrong. We need in terms of y, so pull that y common. This y will go there. It will be x minus 1 equal to x. Option 4 is correct. Y equal to x upon x minus 1. Y equal to x upon x minus 1 is the correct answer. Option 4 is correct. Logarithms related one. Okay, log of a plus b is not equal to log a plus log b. It's not equal to log a plus log b. Now, seventh question, progressions. Progressions is important in Cocubes. Progressions, logarithms common here and there they are asking. In fact, more in AMCAT they'll ask regarding logarithms. Now, progressions, if you see about this question, A series of book was published at 7-year intervals. When the seventh book was published, the total sum of publication years was 13524. The first book was published in which year? Every 7 years they are publishing the book. Okay, is this AP or GP? Arithmetic progression AP because 7 cap. Common difference equal to 7, D equal to 7. Right? So seventh book, at the time seventh book published, sum of sum of the terms in AP is what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus the total sum. The total sum is given 13,524. What is N value at that time? N value. N value 7. Seventh book published. First book N value 1, second book N value 2, third book N value 3. By the time seventh book published, sum of all those years, let us say 2024 first book, next 2031, 2038, all these years summation equal to 13,000 something. So that's what they are asking. So here 2a, n value is nothing but 7, n minus 1 means 6. What is d value here? D 7. Because they said 7 years interval, d value 7. Because of seventh book, n value 7. Right, so here if I divide this with 7, 7 1 times fine, then still 65, 9 times 63, still 22. We have 3 times and 2 times. And here if we divide by 2, a plus 3 into 7, 21 equal to this. First book, A is what? First term or what? In AP, what is A? In arithmetic progression, A is what? A means first term. They're asking first book, 1911, A value 1911. The first book was published in 1911. Progressions concept, arithmetic progression. Permutation combination, okay, logarithms of progressions also if you want, you can check in Cocubes platform. What is the syllabus related to quant? They definitely mention logarithms and they definitely mention progressions as well. And that to this question, they not used anywhere directly AP. They didn't mention. You have to understand, I have to apply arithmetic progression here because every 7 years, at 7 year intervals means every 7 years they are publishing a book. Right. Now this one, pretty much similar to this we already discussed. I think I discussed smallest, largest 3-digit number, but here largest 4-digit number, which is a multiple of 8, 10, 12 and 15 you need to calculate. Try this. Largest 4-digit number, which is a multiple of 8, 10, 12 and 15. In this session, many questions, okay, not many questions, every question you have to try, don't sit ideal. After having a heavy lunch for 40 to 50 minutes time, if people are in a sleeping mode, so you start doing. Now, I'll stop doing from my end. It's your turn. You have to start doing the things. The largest 4-digit number, which is a multiple. What is your answer? Please let me know first. Every option is related to question only. Nothing is out of, don't think in that direction. Nothing is out of. Done? Any answers? Yes, which option? Can I go with A or B or C or D? Which one? Option C. Okay. So the correct answer is option D. 9,960 is the largest, sir. Is because it is largest among options? No, it's not. That is the reason. Okay. See, first of all, when it is a multiple of 8, 10, 12, and 15 are divisible by 8, 10, 12, and 15. A number is divided by a group of numbers means we should apply LCM. When I apply LCM for 8, 10, 12, and 15, your answer is 120. Many people they'll do LCM got 120. See the options marking A and go. But question is 4-digit number, not 3-digit number. That too, if the question is smallest 3-digit number, then answer is 120. The smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8, 10, 12, and 15 means answer is 120. Okay, good. But question is not smallest. We want largest, right? Fine. Now, what is largest 4-digit number? You people know. Largest 4-digit number, irrespective of any conditions. 4 nines, 9,999. I want it should be divided by 120. I want largest 4-digit number. Instead of checking divided by 8, divided by 10, divided by 12 to 15, if a number is divided by 120, if a number is divided by 120, then it's definitely divided by 8, 10, 12, and 15. If a number is divided by 120, then it's definitely divided by 8, 10, 12, and 15. So I'll divide this with 120. 128 times 960, you got 399. 3 times 360, you got how much? 39. 39 is less than 120, we cannot divide. Now listen, I want divisible. Means remainder should be 0. What is the remainder I am getting? Remove that 39, then the number is divisible, right? If I remove 39 from this, then definitely the whatever the number left over must be divisible by 120. Divisible by 120. That is why option D. You see why 39 removed? Why 39 removed? Why removed 39? Remainder 39. We want divisible means divisible remainder should be 0. Means we have to remove 39 from the entire number. Then it's divisible. As simple as. Problem with this question, if you try all options are divisible by 8, all options are divisible by 10, divisible by 12, divisible by 15. This is actually, yes, this is also divisible by 120. This is 82 times, this is 120 into 81 times. 82 times, sorry. This is 120 into 83 times. This is 120 into 80 times. All are 120 multiples. That's the problem actually in this question. All are divisible by 120 for sure. We check that. But largest 4-digit number. Now see the ninth question. And see, good question actually. The thing we can at least think about that question. This is a bit new question, whatever we discuss. See, that's what every session there is something you people can learn, something new you can try. A large sphere of diameter 15 centimeter is melted, okay, and recast into several smaller. See, a big sphere is there. As it is a metal related, I cannot. Okay, so first I melted it. From that, I divide into small pieces, and new spheres is generated. But there's a small size. Instead of big cube, okay, it's like almost this concept is there in cubes also. A big cube is there, we divide into small cubes in length, breadth, and height. If we divide it, we generate into small cubes like that. Here a sphere, a big large sphere is there. They melted, then they created a small spheres with a diameter of 3. First one is 15 centimeters, please. This is also 3 centimeters required. How can it become 3 centimeters? 15 centimeters from that 3 meters is not possible. Okay, several smaller that if it is 15 centimeters, this should be 3 centimeters. What is the percentage increase in the surface area of the smaller spheres, okay, over that of the larger sphere? Right. Now, first of all, how many spheres can be generated with that? Volume should be same. First one volume equal to sum of all these three volumes. Let us say I have 1000 rupees. I am dividing into 5, 200, 200. How many parts required? Each one should get 200 means how many parts will come? 1000. 5 parts. Okay, so that like similar, that amount is same. Here volume should be same. Initial volume is okay. I like you don't divide. Okay, it's not only 5. You just check in terms of volume. Original volume is 4 by 3 pi into 15 cube. Smaller sphere 1 is 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube. Somebody said 5, but it's not 5 actually. 125. How many pieces is original volume divided by each one volume? 125 pieces actually. Number of pieces, see, one piece volume is this much. Overall volume is already there. One piece is, one smaller piece is this. Now how many pieces, how many smaller spheres, number of spheres is this volume divided by this one, right? If I divide these two, what will be cancelled? 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 will be there. 15 cube by 3 cube means 15 by 3, 5 cube, 125 spheres. 125. Not 1, not 2, 125. Okay, now we have to talk about surface area. Are you getting what is that 125? It's not 5, 125. It's not about the answer, 400% or 200% that will decide, but first number of spheres is 120. Generally, it depends on what is the original value, what is the each one value, whole divided by, and that will decide number of okay, spheres. Now, total surface area, what is total surface area basic form? 4 pi r square. Total surface area is 4 pi r square for sphere. Okay. So for larger one, 4 pi into 15 square. Larger one radius is 15. So not radius, right? Okay. It's not radius, diameter, but it should here it should be 15 by 2. 7.5 by 2. 15 divided by 2. 7.5 square. So what about volume? I too agree, but divide by 2 is common for both. That won't much disturb here. Divide by 2. 15 by 2 whole cube. Here 5 by 2 whole cube. Volume also, sir, you need to modify because they given diameter. Okay, for the technical issue, so I'll write it 15 by 2, but answer will not, 125 pieces will not disturb. Number of pieces will not disturb because when you do ratio, that won't affect. Alright, so fine. Now, what is total surface area of smaller spheres? Smaller sphere or bigger sphere? Total surface area is 4 pi r square only. Okay, or else we can write this for easy. Instead of 4 pi r square, as diameter is given, I can write pi d square also. That 4 square will become 2 square. We can write pi d square, which is pi into 15 square. Here also 125 into pi into 3 square. Why 125? Why I written 125? 125 is smaller pieces. Each one is having pi into 3 square. Okay, Now overall 125 means 125 into pi into 3 square. Definitely surface area is increasing. We can see. You ignore pi. What is the number? When you divide, it will not disturb. So if you see, okay, this is 225 pi. This is 125 into 9. 125 into 9. It's more than that, right? So 125, okay, multiplied by 9, we'll get it like 1250 minus 125, 1125. Yeah. Now, is it increasing or decreasing? Increasing. What is percentage increase? How to do? How to do percentage increase? How to do percentage increase? How much increase divided by initial value into 100. This is 4 times 400% increase. 4 times 400% increase. Option B. 400% increase. But see how things are happening. Why 125? We just check it out that 400% increase. It's not cannot be determined. Number of pieces 125, and what is this 125 into pi into 3 square? Here when diameter is given, total surface area of sphere is pi d square. This is the 4 pi r square, we'll write pi d square. Pretty much easy question this is. So what is the answer? Answer is how much? 1 by 2. See, log 7, this is 49 is 7 power minus 2. Answer is minus 2, not 1 by 2. 1 by 49 can be written as 49 power minus 1 or 7 square power minus 1, which is 7 power minus 2. See the basic formula log a power m base b power n is nothing but m by n log a base b. For b power something is that also can come to denominator, a power something will come to numerator. A lot of people may not know about b power n, that also that will come into denominator. B power is okay. And what about log 7 base 7? Where is that? What happened for that? Log 7 base 7 is 1. Why? Log a base b is nothing but log a divided by log b. This is the reason. You mentioned log 7 base 7 is 1. This is the reason. Log a base b is nothing but log a divided by log b. Log 7 base 7 means log 7 divided by log 7 cancel. It's equal to 1. Why log 10 value 1? Why log 10 value is 1? Log 10 value 1 because by default base is 10. By default base will be taken as 10. If base is not given, we will take base as 10. If it is natural logarithm, base e will be given. And for your kind information, integral of 1 by x is what? Integral of 1 by x dx. Integration, differentiation, mathematics. Integral 1 by x is? Integral 1 by x dx. Okay. I'm asking integral of 1 by x dx. I'm not asking differentiation. Don't say minus 2 by x square, minus 1 by x square. Don't say that. I'm asking integration. What's that? Yes, log x. Log x, okay, plus some constant also we can write. But here for your kind information, base easy. It's natural logarithm. When you do integration, many people may not aware of. That's actually natural logarithm. Base is e. You can write ln, natural logarithm ln. You can write ln of x. Whenever natural logarithm base is e, means natural logarithm ln they'll write. Next question related to arithmetic progression. Solve this. What is the answer? Sum of three consecutive terms of an AP is 27. So when they're given sum of three consecutive terms is 27, you can take, you don't go with the regular format a plus d, a plus 2d. You can take a minus d, a plus d. This is also fine, no problem. But here first term is nothing but a minus d. You can go a plus d, a plus 2d also, but that will take a lot of time to solve. So whenever they given sum of three terms, sum of five terms, if they given sum of five terms, take a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. What is the advantage with this, sir? What is summation now? We got a value directly here. Sum is nothing but equal to 3a, that's equal to 27, and a value is nothing but equal to 9. One term, you know second term, you want to know first term actually. If they ask second term, you got the answer actually, 9. Next one, product of the terms, three terms. So 9 into 9 minus d into 9 plus d. This product is nothing but equal to 704. Okay, that 9 we have to send to that side. It's 704 is not divided by 9 because sum of the 704 is 11. Okay, 11 cannot be divided by 9, so that's what let it be. Okay, but a square minus b square, if you apply here, okay, 81 minus d square equal to 704 divided by 9. So 9, 7 times 63, still 74. 9, 8 times 72, 2 by 9. Okay, then if you take difference, d square, 81 minus 78 will be 3. 3 minus 2 by 9, 25 by 9. D will be equal to 5 by 3. D value 5 by 3. Now first term means what? Okay, 9 minus 5 by 3 less than 9 we required. So 22 divided by 3. Something we people learn in this question. See this. Yeah, a lot of people maybe in your 6th or 7th standard you understand that whenever there is 3 terms or 5 terms they'll use this logic to calculate one of the term at least easy way. Then other term can be obtained by using the product of these as given 704, and how we calculated that in a gentle manner is required. How the d value calculated, putting that in a complicated equation, don't do that. You just see how smart you are handling that calculation. 704 divided by 9 is 78, 2 by 9. 81 minus 78 is 3. Still the 2 by 9 should be subtracted. Then d square is 25 by 9. D is 5 by 3. A minus d. If they ask second term, you got it directly. That's why 9 is given in one of the options. Next question, series 12th one. Raju multiplies a number by 10. The log to base 10 of this number will change in what way? What it will do the change? If a number is multiplied by 10, if we take log base 10, as already discussed, log 10 base 10 is 1. It will increase it by 1 actually. Suppose there is a number a. Now I multiplied a with 10. Now I have to apply for this number logarithm with base 10. I can write this as log 10 base 10 plus log a base 10. Here log 10 base 10 means 1. 1 is increased. It's increased by 1. A is the original number, right? Okay, for that, as you did log base 10, okay, after multiplying by 10, see that's what they want to just tell that logarithm is actually for scaling. If you multiply by 100 or 1000 also, here hardly 2 or 3 is added. If you multiply by 100, it will become 2. If you multiply by 1000, it will become 3. The basic purpose of logarithm is scaling. Larger change, its multiplication will become here addition. There you multiplied by 10, it's hardly it become plus 1 only. Log is increased by 1, that's it. If you multiply the original number by 10, log value will hardly increase by 1. If you multiply by 100, it will increase by 2. If you multiply by 1000, it will increase by 3 only. Now, series 13th question. X power 5 plus 1 upon x power 5. I think pretty much similar to this, we already discussed questions where x cube, 1 by x cube, x square. Whenever they ask x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5, okay, I hope you know you should write this as x cube plus 1 upon x cube into x square plus 1 upon x square minus x plus 1 by x. Means first of all you have to calculate x cube plus 1 by x cube, x square plus 1 by x square. If you want to do x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5, this is already discussed in previous sessions if you just check it out. Okay, x cube plus 1 by x cube. If you have doubt, you just multiply there. X cube into x square is x power 5. X cube into 1 by x square is x. That is there. I am subtracting because of that. 1 by x square, 1 by x cube is 1 by x power 5. Okay. Whereas 1 by x cube into x square is 1 by x. That is what I am subtracting. Then it will generate x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 only. There is no problem. Now, how to get x square plus 1 by x square? How to get this? X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. So 34 is x square plus 1 by x square value. You do whole square, what you will get? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, xx will cancel, we will get plus 2. I am doing that minus 2 to cancel it. X square plus 1 by x square can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Similarly, x cube plus 1 by x cube, x cube plus 1 by x cube, if you just look into that, what we can write this as x plus 1 upon x whole cube minus 3 times of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 times of x plus 1 by x is x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, this is 216 minus 18, which is 198. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is 198. So now we have to be careful. 198 multiplied by 34, subtract 6 from that. Right? So instead of 198, if it is 200, 200 into 34 is 6800. From that 68 should be removed. If I remove 68 from 6800, it should be 6732 minus 6 means 6726. Option C is correct. So calculator not allowed. Okay, but I'm not asking you to do 198 into 34. You be smart enough. Write 198 into 34, 198 into 34 as 200 into 34 minus 2 into 34. 200 to 34 will be easy for you. 6800 minus 68. 6800 minus 60 means, okay, 6800 minus 60 will give 6740. Minus 8 means 6732. From that again 6 should be removed, then 6726. In fact, if one more option is there, you can check units place also. 8 into 4 is 32 ending with 2. 2 minus 6 means it's like 12 minus 6 ending with 6 required. Units place 6 required is available only in option C. Units place 6 available only in option C. So this is okay, one way of solving this x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. Indirectly we need to calculate x square plus 1 by x square, x cube plus 1 by x cube. Equation solving is there. Okay, not only in Cocubes, it's there in TCS as well. TCS quant reasoning both are there. So syllabus is pretty much similar for majority of the companies. That's why we are requesting you people to understand the approach. Similar to these questions we solved, but there is a slight condition. Perfect, least perfect square number. Least perfect square number which is divisible by 10, 3, 4, 7, 10 and 12. Hey, 8000 is a perfect square, but option A is wrong because it's not divided by 7. 81 is divided by 7? No, out. Okay, see, guys, actually what we have to do, I have to take LCM for 3, 4, 7. Okay, we can do option verification is one thing, or else try LCM for 3, 4, 7, 10 and 12. See, one more point you can learn, is 12 4 multiple? Is 12 4 multiple? Is 12 3 multiple? When 12 is there, 3 and 4 can be removed. While doing LCM, when 12 is there, don't go for 3 and 4 waste. Right, so it's actually 70 into 6, 420 is LCM if you try. We'll get 420. Means my answer should be 420 multiple and it should be a perfect square. 420 multiple and it's a perfect square. Okay, what I can do, instead of all this wasting time, 420, write it in prime number power. Or else, what is the correct method to do LCM? Right, given number as prime number, 3 as 3 power 1, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 7 is prime number 7 power 1, 10 is nothing but 2 into 5, 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. I am writing every number as prime number power. Okay. Now what is LCM actually? If you want to do LCM, we have to write all prime numbers. This is the standard method to do LCM. When I want LCM for this, write all prime numbers. What is the prime numbers involved here? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7. What is the highest power of 2? Highest power of 3? Highest power of 5? Highest power of 7? This is actually LCM. If you do, you will get 420. 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60, 60 into 7, 420. But wait. Don't go for that. Wait, listen. I want perfect square, right? 2 square is already perfect square. Okay. 3 square is the perfect square as well. 3 power 1 is there. If one more 3 will come, then definitely it's a perfect square. For 5, if it is 5 square, it becomes perfect square. 7 is there, if it is 7 square, means my answer should be 420 multiplied with 3, 5, 7. Why not 2? 2 is already perfect square. If it is 2 cube, I have to multiply by 2. 2 cube is not perfect square. 2 power 4 is perfect square. I have to multiply by 2. Here, okay, here 2 square, power is even number, means perfect square. When our power is even number, it's a perfect square, no doubt. If power is odd number 2 cube or 2 power 5, then I have to multiply by 2 extra to make it as a perfect square. So that is why I'm not multiplying by 2. Please, that's what you have to understand. Don't just like that, okay, why? That question always should rise in your mind. Okay. Now, 420 into 105. I think option C. In fact, 441 is a perfect square, 21 square, right? 100 is 10 square. 44,100 can witness 441 into 100. 441 is 21 square. This is 10 square, perfect square. Okay. Option B is 176 perfect square. No. That option B can witness 176 into 100. 100 is perfect square. Throw it out. Is 176 perfect square? No. But sir, with that A, B eliminated, C correct. There is option none as well. So it's your duty to do entire. That is why I did. Or else if all options are exactly given, I can do option verification also. Which is divisible by 3, 4, 7, 10 and 12. I'll verify and I'll check those cases. But here, problem is like none is available in the options. I'm not okay with option verification. It's always better to do that. And I believe that you people understand why 357 extra. Clear with this question? Now, series 15th question. An unbiased dash is rolled 5 times and the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. If it is rolled again, what is the probability that the outcome is 6? Good question actually. Concept oriented question, confusing question also. If you are not in confusion, I will make you people as a confused. What is unbiased dash meaning? All sides have chances. If it is biased dash, okay, always it is showing two number only. More times it is getting 2. Whenever you throw, always it is going for 2 most of the times. Not every time, most of the times. But this is unbiased as means, okay, every side have equal chances. Now you, okay, with that definition, some people will confuse. Sir, I thrown first time 1 got, 2 got, 3 got, 4 got, 5 got. Sixth time definitely 6 will come. Probability 1 means wrong. Don't say, okay, 6th time 6 will come definitely. There is no rule. Okay, you thrown 10 times also fine. 11th time, what is the probability? Which is as it is unbiased as it should have equal chances. Okay, when you throw a die, there are 6 outcomes. You want 6 means it's one chance only. 1 out of 6 only. Okay, some people will confuse for 1 and they think that I know the concept unbiased as. Okay, fine. But be clear, unbiased as means it's giving equal chances every time. Equal chances for every side, every time. Whenever you throw, if you throw 100th time also, it should be 1 by 6 chance to get a 6 or to get a 5, whatever it might be. Yeah, this is again good question, basic question, something you people can learn for sure. In a division problem, the divisor is 20 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder. If the remainder is 16, the number will be what? What is number, divisor, remainder? What is this link quotient and all? Number equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Sir, I have a doubt. See, this is 16, 40, 16, 2 times 32, remainder is 8. Actually, here number is 40. Number is 40. This is called divisor. This is quotient. This is remainder. 16 into divisor into quotient, 16 into 2, 32 plus remainder 8 is equal to number. Now here they given in question remainder is 16 and they given a relationship that divisor is 5 times the remainder. means 80, and they given divisor is 20 times the quotient, so quotient will be equal to 4. Quotient is 4, divisor is 80, remainder is 16. So answer is 80 into 4, 320 plus 16, 336. Number is 336. This is some other example. Don't interrupt this one with that. So this is just to know what is the terms, but actual question is here. Given remainder is 16, divisor is 5 times of remainder will get 80, and divisor is 20 times the quotient. From that we understand quotient is nothing but 4. Now number is divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have to get 336. See this ones. Yeah, if you observe at least one defective, we can go probability 1 minus no defective. Instead of doing okay, 1 defective, 2 defective, 3 defective, 1 minus probability of no defective, 1 minus. Okay, see, probability means favorable out of total. Total is out of 20 bulbs. We need to select 4. What is okay? No defective is how many you have to select? Select 2 bulbs only. 20 C2. 2 bulbs means 20 C2. We have to draw only 2 bulbs, so 20 C2. Okay, out of 20, 4 are defective, 16 are good. No defective means we have to pick from that 16 only. So 1 minus 16 C2 means 16 into 15 divided by 2. 20 C2 means 20 into 19 divided by 2. Okay, that divided by 2 will cancel anyhow. This is 5 3 times, 5 4 times, 4 once, 4 4 times. 12 divided by 19. 1 minus means you will get 7 divided by 19. 12 upon 19 also available in options. Be careful. 12 upon 19 is no defective. You want at least one defective here. It can be 1, it can be 2 defective, it can be 3 defective, or all are defective also. Instead of that, we are just going with this basic stuff. No defective related. Now series option 8, okay, 18th question. Check this 18th one, logarithms. Which is correct among this? Two options correct? If so, what is the two options? A wrong, I hope everybody got the idea. A is wrong, C wrong, it can be B or D. A power 10, this is B power 5, C power 15. We can write this as log A power 10 plus log B power 5 plus log C power 15, which is 10 log A, 5 log B, 15 log C. Or we can write that log A square B C cube whole power 5 as 5 log of A square B C cube. Okay, this is also correct actually. B and D both correct. As per this question, B and D both correct. 19th one, back to time and work. 28 men working 6 hours a day can finish your work in 15 days. In how many days? 21 men, less people, but they are working 8 hours a day to finish the same work. It's actually same time because this product is same. I think you got same. So it's a chain rule. M1 D1 H1 E1 upon W1 equal to M2 D2 H2 E2 upon W2. Here work is same, W cancel. If E stands for efficiency, not given in question, cancel. 28 men, 15 days, working 6 hours a day. Now 21 men, how many days? Working 8 hours a day is the question actually. And here for 2 times, for 7 times, 7 1, 7 3 times, 3 into 2 6, get cancelled. That's why 15 only answer. Chain rule, E stands for efficiency, W stands for work. W cancel because they said same work. Same work is mentioned. Now again logarithms, you have to solve the equation, find x value. In AMCAT platform also logarithms are asking much actually. Solve this, find x value. So log x equal to log 3 plus log 2 square plus log 16 power minus 3 by 4 power minus 3 by 4 also we can write. So why you are doing all those? See, both sides log we need to compare. So log x equal to, now log a into b into c, log a plus log b plus log c is log of a into b into c. Log of 3 into 2 square is nothing but 4. 16 power minus 34 is 1 by 16, okay, minus 3 by 4. We can write 1 divided by. And 16 can be written as 2 power 4. As the 16 power 3 by 4, it is actually 2 cube. So it's like 1 by 8. Okay, you can cancel, it's x equal to 3 by 2. 1.5 or 3 by 2. Comparing on both sides, x will be equal to 3 by 2. Solving equations, but they're given in terms of logarithm expressions, left hand side and right hand side. 16 power minus 3 by 4, or else we can write 1 divided by 16 power 3 by 4. It's all up to you. Because log a minus log b is log of a by b. You can apply that. Or I'm putting all positive, that minus I'm sending to the power. Time and distance. A and B are running at 250 meter per minute and 300 meter per minute in the same direction. The distance between the two after 1 hour will be what? Yeah, serious. Good question actually. They are in same direction. Same direction means what is the speeds? Speed should be subtracted, right? Means 550 meter per minute. See, when they are traveling in same direction, the distance between them is 50 meters in time 1 minute. Answer option A here. 50 meter per minute means that's meaning okay they can travel 50 meters in 1 minute. But question is it 1 minute? 1 hour. So we should multiply with 60. Then here also distance and time directly proportional. More time, more distance you will travel obviously. So if you multiply by 60, 3000 meters, which is equal to 3 kilometers. Option A, 3 kilometers or 3000 meters. Time, speed, and distance related. I think many times we discussed this model, it seems. Okay, if not, you just check it out. A polygon has 44 diagonals, number of its sides are what? A polygon having 24 diagonals, 44 diagonals, number of its sides. Right, so what's the answer? Number of diagonals given, number of its sides, right? So it's pretty much similar. Okay, it's 11, yeah, 11 available, B, right? So if you want direct formula is n into n minus 3 divided by 2. But I just want to make sure the people how you got that formula. That's what badly required going forward. It's not about the formula. N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Where n stands for number of sides. So n into n minus 3 equal to 88. Two numbers product 88 means nothing but equal to 11 into 8. N value is nothing but 11 here. N is considered as 11. So that's what option B, N value 11. Sir, how you can say number of diagonals is n into n minus 3 divided by 2? Actually, the formula is nc2 minus n. We'll explain again what is this nc2 minus n. Number of diagonals is nc2 minus n. NCT shortcut is n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Minus n means it become n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now, before this, just going step back. Okay, sir, why nc2 minus n? Fine, n into n minus 3 divided by 2, I said it's nc2 minus n. Why nc2 minus n? See, nc2 means if you have number of sides are 6, then 6 points will be there. If you join all 6 points, 6 straight lines will come. But all straight lines are not diagonal, sides should be removed. How many sides are there? N sides should be removed. I'll just show one example. I thought that, okay, this is already discussed. Fine, or else you just check it out. This is hexagon. Okay. How many points are there in hexagon? One. Yeah, 6 sides and 6 points. How many straight lines will generate? How many straight lines? Number of straight lines. Number of straight lines will be 6C2. For straight lines, how many points are required? 2 points. So 6 points are there. 6C2, which is 6 into 5 divided by 2, which is 15. Okay. How many sides are there? Number of sides? 6. Okay. Now 15 minus 6 equal to 9. That is diagonals I am talking about. Sir, where is 9 diagonals? Sir, I'll show. I'll show those all 9 diagonals. You observe. This is diagonal 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these are straight lines only. 9 diagonals plus 6 sides, 15 straight lines. If you want diagonals means from straight lines you should remove. From straight lines remove sides, the diagonals will be obtained. That is what NC2 minus N. Okay, NC2 minus N. But if you see textbooks, they'll give this formula. In fact, if you know, long back in Deloitte company, they given to write program to find number of diagonals also. If you know any into n minus 3 divided by 2, then find number of sides they'll give. If you know this formula, then you can write the program. Without that, fine. One here in Accenture company and other companies also, they give 2 programs. One will be very easy like this. One will be bit medium level or difficult level. One will be like, yeah, fine. For number of sides is given, what is the write a program to find number of diagonals. If you don't know n into n minus 3 divided by 2, then gone. Sometimes they ask, literally see, there are some of terms in progressions also. Arithmetic progression. They given that program. If you don't know that formula, you cannot. That's why, okay, quant bit linked with, if you know, then you can do the programming better. So requesting you to know programming along with this quant. Fine, let us see the next question. Beep together. See the surprising thing, this question given in, okay, GATE and IAS exams also. Okay, together, whenever you have it together, okay, in LCM and SF concept, we mentioned LCM, we have to apply. When you see the word together simultaneously like that, LCM should be applied. LCM for 30 minutes, 1 hour means 60 minutes, 3 by 2 of hour means 90 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes means 105. We have to do LCM for all this. So all are 15. See, if there is one good point in LCM, all are 15 multiples, right? You can pull there 15 out, then do LCM for 2, 3, 2, sorry, this is 4. You can pull that 15 out, we can do LCM for 2, 4, 6 and 7. As 6 is 2 multiple, 2 can be removed. Waste of time actually doing. Okay. For 4, 6 and 7 you do LCM is like 4 into 84, 84 into 15 will come. So 15 into 84 minutes. If you want to convert into hours, we should divide by 60. Sorry, divide by 60 to convert into hours. 21 hours. So you started at what time? 12 noon. From here, 21 hours. 24 hours means 12. Okay. 21 is 4, 3 hours less than that. So 12 minus 3 means 9, 9 a.m. From 12 noon, okay, 21 hours. You can split it like 12 plus 9, better. This 21 can be split as 12 plus 9. 12 noon, 12 hours after 12 midnight, then plus 9 means 9 a.m. It's easy, you can get it like 9 a.m. as the answer. 9 a.m., by the time 9 a.m., all will be together. All will be together, ring together. Together they are asking, so that's how you can map. Okay, 9 a.m. is your answer. 1 hour 60 minutes, 3 by 2 of our 90 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes is 105 minutes. We should go for together. If you apply LCM, we'll get 21 hours. And similar model question given in GATE and ESC exams as well. So see, whether it is any competitive exam, that's what I want to tell you clearly. Whether you are preparing for GATE exam or ESC or SSC, Staff Selection Commission, or placements, concepts are pretty much same. Some people are skipping classes saying that I'm preparing for government jobs. But see, in quant tracing variable, it's same. Some topics may be added there or deleted here. If topic is common, then same concepts only. This number system, this is LCM HCF or number systems concept is common for any competitive exam whenever there is a quant. Any placements also, if quantitative aptitude is there, the number systems or LCM HCF is common for majority of the companies. Now see about 24, back to probability, and good question. Yeah, 4, probability 4 is a blunder mistake. So it's not possible. Probability of a number is 4. Now see, a 5-digit number formed without repetition. What is the probability that number is a multiple of 4? That's without repetition. Probability is favorable out of total, okay? What is total without repetition using that 5-digit number? 5 factorial, which is nothing but 120. 5 into, if repetition is there, 5 power 5. If repetition allowed, first slot 5 is, second slot 5 is 5-digit number. 5 slots are there. 5 power 5 will come if repetition allowed. But here, repetition not allowed. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. First slot 5 is, I can fill with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. 1 digit gone. Then I have 4 numbers, 4 ways. Then I have 3 numbers. So 5 factorial. Okay, so that's what 120 is denominator. What about numerator? Your number should be divisible by or multiple of. Divisible or multiple of what? 4. See, last 2 digits are required to decide a number is multiple of 4 or not. Now, what can be last 2 digits? See, what is the chance we have? We can use 1 to, we can use 1 to 3, 4, 5, right? It can be 12. If last 2 digits are 12, is it divisible? 12, 13, 14, 15, 12 only. Then 24, then 32, then 52. Let me know any other numbers possible with those existence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repetition not allowed. Don't say 44, sir. Don't say 44, repetition not allowed. 12, 13, 14, 15 ways, then 21, 23, 24, 25, 24, 31, 32, 32 added with 4 ways to fall. So how many ways? These 2 slots? Last 2 slots, tens place and units place. How many ways? 4 ways. Okay. Now, let us say 2 numbers are gone, 2 and 4. How many numbers are available? Digits are available. 3 digits. How many places? 3 places, 3 factorial. 3 factorial into 4 means nothing but 4 factorial are 24. 1 upon 5, option B is correct. 1 upon 5, option B is perfectly suitable. 0.2, 1 upon 5. 3 factorial into 4 is nothing but 4 factorial. Or okay, 3 factorial is 6, 6 into 4, 24 upon 120, 1 upon 5, option B is perfectly suitable. Combination probability, a lot of people may feel it's a bit difficult, but if you understand things properly, it's a bit easy in fact. Now let's see about 25 here. It's very, very easy question. What's the answer? 1 upon 7. Probability for a day to be a Sunday. There are 7 days. Right, so you know Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all those. Okay, one among that should be Sunday. So one out of 7. Very, very basic question. A day to be a Sunday. It's almost like you want to get a number 2 when a dice is thrown. What is the probability to get a number 2 when a dice is thrown? Among those 6, 2 is one chance, 1 out of 6. Likewise, similar to that. Now 26, series 26. In Cognizant, 30 questions, 30 minutes only, neck to neck. We don't have extra time. Neck to neck fight will be there. So steward, okay, whatever, fine, okay. Yes, better, okay. He assigns 1/8 of his monthly salary for food, and total food bill for month is 6,500. So month divided by 8, monthly amount divided by 8 is assigned for food. That's equal to 6,500. So what is monthly salary? 52,000 is monthly salary. You want yearly salary, 12 times of monthly salary, which is 6,24,000. ఆవలిస్తే పేగులకు పెడతా అంటారు ఇలా వాడు ఫుడ్ తినేదాని నుంచి సో దే ఆర్ క్రాకింగ్ ఎంటైర్. That's what when you people are spending on your clothes and your enjoyments, people will guess how much money you are earning. People will calculate in this fashion. Okay, they'll take okay 10% of money. Generally, many people will spend 10% of their income to food or maybe 10% of their income to clothes, purchasing clothes and in general. So that they'll do into 10. Okay, this is what the expected salary of this guy. So into 12 for that again, that will give yearly salary. Okay, this is the range of that. Now again, probability. A bag contains 5 yellow and 4 brown pencils. If 2 pencils are drawn, what is the probability that the pencils are of the same color? And I clearly mentioned we are discussing more on quant. It will be helpful not only for Cognizant or any TCS, all recruitments which involves quant, for Cocubes assessment everywhere. Now 5 yellow and 4 brown. How many you are drawing? How many pencils you are taking out? 2 pencils. So what will be the total then? Total will be 9C2. Okay, so 9 into 8 divided by 2 will get 36. Favorable, 2 should be of same color. It should be from yellow or it should be from brown. Okay, it's 10 plus 6, 16. So what is 5C2? How to calculate 5C2? 5 into 4 divided by 2. Okay, that is why I am doing bit fast, because I am doing, if you know that, okay, 5C2 means like that. If you want to calculate 7C3, we have to write 3 terms in numerator, 7 into 6 into 5, divide by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 cancel, 35. Okay, if it is 7C4 means, or for 7C4 means what you can do? 7654 divided by 4 factorial. But don't do that. 7C4 equal to 7C3. Okay. Whenever that number is increasing more than half, go for this other phase. Selecting 4 people or rejecting 3 people is same. Out of 1 people, instead of selecting 4, I can reject 3 people. It's equal to nothing but selecting. Right. So now see about this 28. In how many different ways? Again, permutation, combination, vowels together. You split remaining C, R, R, P, T, N. O is there 3 times, A and I. Total 11 letters, is it? Okay, no, I think, yeah, 11 letters only, 5 plus 6, 11. Now this is all together, how many units? 1 unit here, 6 units, total 7 units, 7 factorial into 5 factorial. Why 5 factorial? Yes, 5 vowels internally can be arranged. Divide by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. 7 factorial is 5040. 5 factorial is 120. Divided by 12. Option D is correct. 3 factorial 6, 2 factorial 2. 2 into 6 is 12. We'll get option D. 50,400. So this side we are discussing more permutation combination property as wantedly. That's the area people are not okay very much familiarized. Wantedly added more questions in this 30 question set, more from permutation combination probability. I agree. Now this 29 also, if you observe, okay, similar to this we already discussed a question. What is the first term? And unbiased dice we discussed. Now this is unbiased coin. You tossed 5 times. First 4 times, what it is getting? Tile. Now what is the probability of appearing fifth one as toss? First 4 times also toss only a tile. Okay, fine. Now you want fifth time also tile. 1/2, not 1/2 only. If it is biased means okay, then 1. If it is biased, one small change in the question, if I keep it as a biased, then answer will be 1. But I am clearly mentioning it's unbiased. So I have to get always, it should give equal chances. 1/2. If it is 5 times, okay. 500 times also you got time. 5 not 1 time. Okay, 1/2 only should be your answer. Now 30th one. So 31 side of paper is what we plan. So say it's 30th. Still they are asking simple interest and compound interest, percentages, profit and loss, all those. But those areas we already covered in certain okay section discussions. But this area where people are lagging, I'm not saying this is what entire completion, though there is percentage, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest. There is certain ages concept as well. I am in a perception that if people are a bit familiar with that, I'm going more on this. If 8 is subtracted from HCF of 168, 189 and 231, we have to subtract 8, then what is the number? This is, if I am not wrong, 21 into 8. This is 21 into This is 21 into 11. HCF is 21. Or else if you recall, I said HCF can be obtained by taking difference between numbers. By focusing more on difference between numbers. Difference here is, you can clearly observe 21, here 42, here 63. All these are 21 multiples. So it can be 21, it can be 21 or less than that. So we have to check, yes, all numbers are 21 multiple. I can take this is equal to 21. Okay. But answer is what? Answer? They want subtract 8 from that. Answer is 13. None of this. What will be obtained if 8 is subtracted from HCF of that? While doing HCF, we got it like 21. Okay, after doing that, we have to subtract 8. If we subtract 8, we got 13. That's not available in the options. So none also we should consider. Don't ignore that none of this is a negligible option. You have to work on. And see whether it is Cocubes platform, one beautiful and advantage is, okay, why people are pretty much focusing on Cocubes instead of other platforms. One advantage with Cocubes platform is you can move from one section to other section. See, Cocubes, if it is, or else if it is regarding AMCAT platform or SHL, here I am. One thing very much clear for this is navigation. Navigation between questions means suppose you have 30 questions in quant, 30 questions in quant, navigation allowed in Cocubes. You can start 30th question, you can go for 15th question, you can move from any one to anyone. But here, not allowed. No, not allowed. You cannot go for last question. First question you attempt, then only second question you can open. Second question you attempt, then only third question. In fact, you cannot go back also. In AMCAT or SSL platform, you cannot go back to the previous question. Okay, you cannot go to the next question until unless your current question is attempted. And navigation between sections. Suppose you have 3 sections in exam, quant, reasoning and verbal, right? Here in Cocubes or ION platform, you can start directly verbal. If you want, you can start directly reasoning. You can start quant, whatever area you are good, you can start that. But here, no. If it is quant, first everybody should attempt quant only. You cannot open English, it won't open also. Until unless current section, current question complete, next question, entire section complete, then next section will open. This platform is there for L&T company, LTI. It's pretty much similar to TCS also. TCS also almost same thing. You cannot go back to go to the previous question. You cannot go to the next question until current one completed. It's pretty much similar to TCS as well. TCS also bit similar in these lines. But in TCS, one more additional advantage is calculator allowed, virtual calculator. But here calculator not allowed in both of this. No calculator, but TCS calculator is okay. Right? So good advantage with Cocubes platform is this. It's like paper-based exam. When paper is given, you can go for last question or middle question, you can go anywhere. It's similar, pretty much similar to that. Okay.